I was like really scared about meeting new people from different schools because it's not like the same people that you grew up with.
I'm thinking, will my teacher like me? Will other kids get along with me?
I don't know, my biggest thing was getting lost. This place is pretty big, pretty crazy. There's a lot of students here.
Elementary school, they start telling you, what do you want to be when you get older? What do you have to do to become whatever you want to be? What steps do you need to take?
I had no idea how to weld. My hands shake so much.
It's a mixture of everybody. So I didn't know the people that were going to be in my class because they were all from different schools. It's not people that I've grown up with since elementary school. My whole life I was told to know what you want to do when you get older. And now that I know what I want to do, I know where I want to go to be able to take those steps. And that's when I sat down in the chair and I knew, like, this is where I'm supposed to be. This is what I want to do.
It's not more of like a sit-down lecture type of thing. You're gonna do it.
There's a lot of programs here that you work with your hands, and that's what I like to do.
Now that I'm here, I realize it is a really great school, and I would highly advise anybody to come here if they ever have the opportunity to.
The teachers, the administration, they're really nice and very informative about different things, and they really care about you.
They care about your work. They care about what you're doing in your free time. They understand that we have jobs and that we are putting ourselves out there to be successful. They're very engaged on what we're doing and what we're doing, just not inside school and inside their classroom, but what we're doing outside of their classroom and outside of school in our personal lives as well.
If you want to do a certain thing, like every single lab in here is hands-on.
Because you do already have the hands-on experience, the clientele experience, the interpersonal experience that you would need to work in that field. So every time I walk into the classroom, I know that I'm taking a step further towards my future.
It's crazy. I love it here so much.